Wow, it's right here! Oh my god! Wow! Oh, chaos gardening! Yes!
Look at this. It's oh my god.
Wow.
We're in trouble with all this grown shit. Here, take this.
Yay! Oh my
Hey, baby.
god! I kind of love it.
I mean, it's very grown in. This is the grove right here. This is the house we bought, and it was a beautiful little funky home, and nobody really knew anything about it, even the broker. They didn't know about this upper room here that we found. I think it could be an artist studio, and we were just really surprised when we drove up after purchasing in the summer what it looked like.
Good morning, Choozy.
Good morning, my love.
What is today?
Today's moving day.
That's right.
Today's moving day. So we're gonna drive up for the third time in 7 days and try to wash stuff up again and get some stuff to clean the house before we unpack everything.
What are you most excited about?
I'm just excited to get our hands in there. Begin to start putting things in their places.
Yay!
This was our first official day. You can tell by how excited Grace is. Yay, baby. Look at this. We've got this bed, and it was the heaviest thing I've maybe ever had to carry.
Wow, it's here.
Okay.
Oh, come here for a second.
First thing we wanted to do is open up all the windows and let the house breathe a little bit. And then we take a look at the outside. And when we visited this, it was brown and it was overcast and it was winter. And now it's green and we find these gardens in the back.
Yeah. Hey!
And we find it a sunny, sunny place.
We did it.
This is our decor area. This is our cleaning supplies. This is our tools. This is where our empty boxes go. Whoa, show me the bottom. Oh, and now you love this bench.
It's not one.
Night one.
Ever.
After setting up our systems and our processes, we began to start saging the house at first. We don't know if this does anything, but what's the harm? We bought this giant rug on Facebook Marketplace, and we bought this vacuum. We also bought this bed on Facebook Marketplace, and a word to the wise, if you get a king-size bed, rent a U-Haul, because putting it in your mid-size is not going to work.
Yeah, we forgot to eat dinner last night.
Yeah, that's true. This is our first meal here. It is leftovers from earlier. One of my favorite things about Grace is that she makes sure that even if it's a little thing or a big thing, she wants things to be really pretty. She wants the food to look pretty, she wants the table to look pretty. And we picked up these small little candles just so that we can enjoy our first drink and our first dinner. And now it's time to get dirty. We dug up this garden, put it in flowers of our own to just see if they would grow. It's very tiring and very exhausting, but it was also very rewarding. And we got a new kitchen rug. This is so sick. This is our last weekend of the month. And as you can see, we put a little bit of work into this place. We bought a couple of lights. We bought many things to fill it up. The boxes are, of course, still stacking up. There they are. After a month, this is the kitchen. And there are lots of little hang nails like this for hanging. They're all over the place. And I had spent a lot of time taking them down. There are also a lot of lights like this, track lighting. This is a funky little room. We love the wood. But we also have interesting things like the exterior window inside. So that's a funky little treat. This is what we're calling the third bedroom. We don't know what it's going to be yet. But this is a little bookshelf that we're turning into a bar. This is a painting we got that looks like our friend Sophie. We got 2 more rugs. We got a blow-up mattress for our friends to stay at first. Of course, it has a hole in it. And this bedroom has one of the most interesting little lights, and of course track lighting everywhere. And we are going to take this down in favor of more lamps and sconces. This is the main house bathroom. Yeah, I don't really like that. Hey, still don't like that. This is the tub that they had installed. We don't know what to do with this room. It's again an exterior interior house spot with the window, as you can see. It might become a home office, who knows? But this carpet has got to go, as do these cords that are coming out of the wall. So this is the main lounge room. We've got nothing for it so far. But I really like that you can see through this hole and wave and talk to each other. It's a really funky house with a lot of interesting things like low ceilings, like this triangle here. We don't even know what this could be, but it could be potentially where we put a vinyl player, a record player. Here are all of the things that I took down, and we have cords like this all over the house, just sticking out of the wall. So if you have any idea of how to get rid of these cleanly, I might just cut them. This is a corridor section with loads of outlets. And this is our bedroom after 1 month. Oh, and we forgot to mention, there's also an upstairs with more hangings, things to take out. It's an interesting little place, isn't it? I think we're gonna put a bed in here so people can stay up here. Interesting little crevice for us. One funky thing is that it has a tub inside this room, and it's a nice one. It's got gold trimmings. It's very solid. Just needs a little bit of love. But it also has this funky little thing, and you see into the chandelier room. Which reminds me, I've got to put new bulbs on here that aren't too bright. They don't all work. Okay, nice. And we experiment here with a colorful pantry. Love it. And it's time to do more outside work. We gotta get the weeds, and we gotta clean up the leaves, and we gotta make sure everything's getting water and sun. Now it's time to paint this fence. So we got some of the leftover paint from the previous owner. Oh, does it still work? Let's mix it up a little bit. Pour it into here. Grace wanted to really do this, so she was excited to do it. I asked if she needed help. She said no. So I just started painting my own things. And that's as far as we got for June. I'll try to release these more often, but that's all we've done from 1 month. It's come a long way. And I think that in time, we'll make this place a beautiful place to live.